You've set your sights on the world of hacking. But where do you start? Don't worry. A career in hacking is within reach even if you don't have a technical background. We've put together a handy, comprehensive guide that will help you learn some basics, adopt a hacker mindset, and hone your new skills. In a few minutes, you will be one step closer to all your hacking goals and dreams. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click notification bell. The first step is get hands on Linux and Unix. Linux or Unix is an open-source operating system that brings better security to computer systems. As a hacker, you don't have to skip Linux as it is one of the most used operating systems for hackers and provides hackers with numerous tools. Some of the popular Linux distributions are Red Hat Linux, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Backtrack, etc. Kali Linux is one of the most widely used Linux systems and it is especially suitable for hacking. The second step is learn basic programming language. Hackers are the problem solver and tool builders. Learning how to program will help you implement solutions to problems. It also differentiates you from script kidders. Writing programs as a hacker will help you to automate many tasks which would usually take lots of time to complete. Writing programs can also help you identify and exploit programming errors in applications that you will be targeting. The third step is learn how to be anonymous. As a hacker, this is one of the important steps to understand. As a hacker, you can do a lot of these things, some legal, some unauthorized. Therefore, it is necessary to know how to remain anonymous and how to hide your identity online so that you leave a trail and no one can track you down. The fourth step is learn basic networking. Networking skills are one of the most critical skills for becoming an ethical hacker. A computer network is an interconnection of multiple devices, generally termed hosts connected using multiple paths to send or receive data or media. Networking skills for hacking include understanding networks like subnetting, DHCP, subnetting, etc. Having network knowledge for ethical hacking helps to explore the various interconnected computers in a network and the potential security threats that this might create. If an ethical hacker has networking skills, they will know how to handle those threats. You can learn ethical hacking skills and become a successful hacker by knowing network models, internet protocols, and IP addresses. You should also be familiar with routers, servers, clients, transmission media, access points, shared data and network interface card, etc. The fifth step is explore the hidden web. The dark web is part of the internet that isn't visible to search engines and requires the use of an anonymizing browser called Tor, etc. to be accessed. You've no doubt heard talk of the dark web as a hotbed of criminal activity, and it is, but not everything is illegal. The dark web also has a legitimate side. Thus, it is necessary to know a bit about what it is and how it works. The sixth step is add the art of secret writing to your skill set. Cryptography, also known as the art of secret writing, is something you should master as a hacker. Encryption and decryption are important skills for hacking. Encryption is widely used in several aspects of information security such as authentication, confidentiality, and data integrity. Information in the network is always encrypted, such as passwords, packets sent by the network, etc. Therefore, as a hacker, it is necessary to identify and crack the encryption. The seventh step is dive deep into hacking. Once you have a good grasp of the topics discussed so far, it's time to dig deeper. Try to delve into hacking concepts and learn topics like vulnerability analysis, penetration testing, SQL injection, and more. Learning in the field of hacking never stops because security changes every day with new updates to the system. Therefore, you must master the latest tools and methods to hack or protect the system. The eighth step is explore vulnerabilities. One single vulnerability and the system will bend the knee. Vulnerability is a weakness or a loophole in the system. Looks for such loopholes by scanning the system, network, etc. Try to write your own vulnerabilities and exploit the system. The ninth step is experimenting and practicing is the key. After learning some concepts, sit back and nail them. Keep practicing them in various environments and various scenarios. Set up your own lab for experiment purposes. Use these labs to test various tools, attacks, and much more. The last step is join discussion and meet the hackers. The most important thing for hackers is to create a community or join a forum to help you discuss with other hackers around the world. This facilitates communication and sharing of knowledge and teamwork. Join different communities on different platforms like Facebook, Telegram, Discord, etc. So these simple steps can make you a good hacker. The steps may vary from person to person, but the results must remain the same. Let me know in the comments below what else you can add to that learning curve, and this list will help you sort out your thoughts on how to learn to hack. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, let me know by the comments section. I will happy to reply to you. And don't forget to subscribe, and in case you are first time here, check some other videos. Thank you all of you. Love you.